Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here today. Let's have a look at Michael Kors. A lot of questions on this stock. Well, the past few days, as we go into into year end, I should say, here with just about a week and a half, 2 weeks left, depending on how you really want to count the days. Looking at Michael Kors and anything that's a little bit retail and salesy and kind of um, let's call it sort of holiday, if that's a word, that's holding up technically as well. Those kind of names could see something that Santa Claus might want to ring into year end, anywhere between now and year end, or maybe Christmas and year end, could be get us a little bit of cash flow traded alongside. Again, this is not something where you want to swing for the fences. Simply a trade that I think we could kind of pick at a little bit and see if it works. Kors, of course, Michael Kors, from a technical point of view, the stock has actually held up very well here over the past few days, while the S&P 500 has seen some pretty significant down movements, particularly last week. So that's the kind of stuff you want to look for. Stocks that are holding up relatively well, and want to see if we can get some sort of cash flow trade. If we look at this chart here, of course, we can see that it had a very nice double bottom here with the lows in October and the lows literally exactly 1 month later in November. All that supportive, the stock coiling up, visually coiling up against, or sort of snuggling up, I should say, this resistance line around the $77, $78 area that dates back to September. So any sort of move here, I'd argue above 78 or so on a daily closing basis could probably get the stock moving towards the 80 to 82, maybe $83 area, which is where the 200-day moving average on the high end of that range would start coming into play. So I hope this makes sense, guys. If you want to sign up and get all the daily trade alerts from real-time portfolio, we're up about 20-ish% almost year to date. Go over to thesteadytrader.com and sign up if you got any questions. Otherwise, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.